In this video, we're going to be looking at the A march and skip, which is one of the best running drills to perform. In this drill, the knee's going to come nice and high, so great for warming up the hip flexors, that front side mechanic. So nice and high, ankle dorsiflex. The foot then comes down quickly. We want that short, explosive ground contact time coming right down underneath the knee and the hip. So to start with the march, there's no secondary bounce or jump. We come up, and want to instill that rigidity, that nice high chest position, good ankle stiffness, working the movement. You see how I've got that explosive arm action. From there, we take it into a skip. Now, all a skip is, as the leg comes up, we jump on that supporting leg before driving the foot down. So let's take a quick look. Comes up. You see how there's a slight jump. So that supporting leg hops off the floor slightly. Comes up and we hop, down, hop, down, hop. So it's that skipping action. Let's take a quick look at that drill in an outdoor setting.